Hi, I'm Corey here, wanting to tell you a little about our carpet extractor. This is our 500 PSI. It is the only one in the market with 3 motors, and the price is very nice. It's less than our competitors with 2 motors. And then we also have 2 heaters, so very powerful. So you can come in, you can rent it, try it out for yourself. We also give demonstrations, so you can come in and check out the power and see how you like it. If you want any more details on the carpet extractor, check out our video.